Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and do I have a fun one for you guys today. Today we are going to be drop testing the iPhone 13 Pro Max using some cases here by Casetify. Now, huge thanks and shout out to Casetify for sponsoring this video. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come, because we love to have fun on this channel. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna have some fun throwing this phone around with these cases on it to see just how well they are going to protect this device. And then of course, we're gonna take a detailed look at the cases and see how they fit, see how they function, and really check them out. We're gonna be using their Ultra Impact case and their Impact case as well. Both very protective cases, but of course, we don't really know until we do the drop test. So before we take a detailed look at these cases themselves, let's go and start off with that drop test. Let's go ahead and head outside. All right, so we have made our way outside, as you can see here, or at least here inside my garage. Got both cases on me, the Impact case, which is already on the device itself, and then the Ultra Impact case, which we will be testing after. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it right there on the chair. And the way I like to do my drop test is I like to do real world situations where, you accidentally drop the phone, because I mean, anybody can just stand there and, do a controlled drop like that. But my test, I like to do real world drop tests. So again, we're gonna be starting off with the regular Impact case, and I am using the tempered glass screen protector from Casetify as well, because they said it does a really good job at protecting that display. So we're gonna figure out if it actually does or not. And this tempered glass actually isn't as strong as the regular glass that comes on the device itself. So if this case is able to protect that tempered glass, then we really know that it is doing its job. So let's go ahead and get started. First real world test, you're just sitting down, with maybe family, friends, you got your phone on your lap, you forget it's there, you get up, oh, whoops, all right, forgot it was on my lap. Let's go ahead and check it out. Look at that, tempered glass is looking good. No cracks, no scratches. The camera modules are looking good as well. So definitely held up with that small drop. And do keep in mind that I am doing this on a smooth, flat surface. Don't go, chucking your phone in rocks or anything like that, because I can't guarantee you that a pointy rock is going, to not damage your phone with this case. But I am doing this on a flat surface. Okay, second test right here. Just walking along, gonna put my phone in the pocket, accidentally missed. Woo! Oh. Okay, so that actually landed really hard on the display. I'm a little nervous. Let's check it out. Woo, look at that, no cracks, no scratches. Camera's looking good. This case is definitely doing its job so far. Next real world test, you're walking along, you're talking on the phone accidentally slips out of your hand, lands on the floor. Nothing happened to the cameras, nothing happened to that display. Let's go ahead and check out functionality. Don't look at my password, can't show you guys my password. All right, look at that. Still working like a boss. No damage internally, at least. Nothing, not from what I can tell right here. So it is said that this case can withstand at least a 6.6 foot drop. So let's go. I'm about 5'10". So what? 6 foot? I don't know. That's probably a little higher than that. But I'm just gonna go ahead. Whoa! All right, let's check it out. Woo! Look at that. Looking good. Looking good. You ready? You ready? Ooh! Again. Ooh! I'm having a little too much fun here. There we go again. Woo! Oh, I'm having a good time doing this. Look at that, no damage. Everything is looking good. Got a small air bubble there on the tempered glass screen protector. That was just for me because I did not install it perfectly. Camera module's looking good. Let's take off the case real quick. Here we go. Let's check out the back of the phone. Back of the phone is looking good. So that was the Impact case. Now, we are going to test out the Ultra Impact, which is supposed to give us even more durability, more protection. So let me go ahead and throw this on. It's a little tight. Here we go. Come on, man. All right, there we go. We're good to go. Is it on right? Does it look on right to you guys? I think it looks on right. I think we're good. All right, again, real world drop test. Sitting down, talking with friends. I'm gonna go ahead and face it down. That way maybe it'll accidentally fall on its face. Here we go, accidentally get up. Oh, there we go. Looking good. No cracks, no scratches. Camera module looking good. All right, second real world test. Walking along, accidentally drop it. Woo! It's looking good. That one actually dropped on its back. And okay, let's go ahead and go into a talking on the phone test. Walking along, talking on the phone. Whoops. Ooh! Okay, that landed really hard on the camera modules. But look at that, looking good. No damage done to the cameras, no damage done to the display. Here we go again. Now this is said to be able to withstand at least 9.5 feet, or at least a 9.5 foot drop if I'm not mistaken. So let's go ahead and I'm just gonna hold it as high as I can right here. Here we go. Like I said, I'm about 5'10", and I'll go ahead and even toss it up a little bit. You ready? You ready? You got this on camera? Follow the phone. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. I might have to replay that, but I did see it land like this and then bounce over. But look at that. It looks good. It looks good. No damage to the display. Oh my God, dude, that was hard. Dude, that scared me. I'm not gonna lie. And the cameras are looking good. See if the phone even still works. Apple News, I don't wanna see that. And okay, looks like it's still working good. Let's check out, let's go into the camera real quick. Make sure we can still take a picture. Okay, yeah, so the lenses are looking good. Can still take a photo. So as you can see, these cases right here by Casetify, whew, I am sweating, are definitely going to give your iPhone 13 Pro Max some great protection. And yeah, you saw it here. Let's go ahead and head back inside, take a deeper look into these cases right here. All right, so we have made our way back inside, as you can see here, with tons of cases right in front of me. And this is literally just a tease of what Casetify has to offer. But before we take a look at these cases right here, let's go and take a look at the phone itself to make sure no damage was done. Look at that display, no cracks, no scratches, looking good. Let's go and take a look at the back, looking as beautiful as it did when it came out of the box. Let's take a look at the lenses, looking good, no cracks, no scratches. So again, I know I have tons of cases here in front of me, but like I said, this is just a tease of what Casetify has to offer. They have so much that you can choose from for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And you actually don't even have to pick what they have here available on their website. You can also customize your own cases. So as you can see here, I got 3 cases in front of me that I was able to customize how I wanted. So I got one with my initials on it, I got one with my last name on it, and then I got one with my first name on it. So there's so many ways that you can customize these cases to make them look exactly how you want. And then of course I got a couple here that they have provided for me. Look at this weird banana one with the, I don't know, what is that, a lizard in there? And then I really like this one right here. It gives me those comic vibes. And then we have this right here looking like a package being sent somewhere. And then of course the 2 cases that we drop tested outside, the Impact and the Ultra Impact. And all these right here are Impact cases and one more Ultra Impact case. So I'm gonna put the Ultra Impact cases over there and we'll go ahead and start off with these. Let's go ahead and take a look at the one that we drop tested. We'll take a quick closer look, and all these cases are going to fit the same. They're going to perform the same on the device and give it the same exact protection. All cases are made with 65% plant-based and recycled materials as well. So very cool that they were able to make cases like this with recycled materials. They are all about saving the planet. So this is the first Impact case that we have here, taking a closer look right here at the camera module. As you can see, we're getting a pretty good deep enough cutout that is really going to protect those cameras, as you saw from the drop test. And then going to the front, you get a pretty good sized lip all the way around the display as well, which is going to help keep it protected from dropping it on any flat surface. And look at, even on the side, it does tell you this case is made with recycled phone cases. And then looking at the bottom here, you got your cutouts for the speaker, microphone, and the charging port. Up here, no cutouts. Over here to the left, you got a cutout right here for the toggle. And then of course you got the volume rockers. Let's see how those perform. Let me go ahead and unlock the phone. There we go, it's unlocked. So let's see how these perform. Good, good, nice and clicky, nice and responsive. Going over to the right, we got that power button. Nice and clicky, nice and responsive as well. And these cases actually fit pretty tight on the phone too. They don't feel loose around the device at all, except right here where the buttons are. They are a little bit loose, but around the rest of the case, it actually feels pretty secure on there. And it doesn't add a whole lot of bulk to the device. I mean, it does add a little bit, but not, it doesn't make it super, super bulky. It's definitely going to give it some good protection. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. So I got my wireless charger here. Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see. And this actually, I tested it out a little while ago. It should work with the wireless charging. Let's try one more time. There we go. So as you can see, I was just holding the charger the wrong way, but yes, wireless charging does work with this case right here, and it's gonna be the same for all impact cases. So let's go ahead and check out the other ones real quick. Like I said, this isn't all that they have to offer on their website. This is just to give you an idea of different things that you could get. And this has to be my favorite one out of all of them. Really like the comic vibes that we have going on there. And then of course we have some Casetify branding around the camera as well. Look at that, really, really cool. Take a look around the side again. The front getting that same protection, and that's what that's going to look like on the 13 Pro Max. Let's go and take a look at this funny one right here with the little lizard inside the banana outfit. I'm going to commit arson. Look at that. That's what that one's gonna look like. Let's go ahead and move on to my customized case. And they snap on really good like that, feeling nice and secure on there. Look at that. That actually looks pretty cool. So if you want to customize one with your name, boom, that's what that's going to look like. Let's go and check out another one. There we go. A little tough to take off at times, which is good. And I'm not putting that on the right way. Here we go. All right, let's check this one out. Look at that one. I actually really like this one too because yeah, it is plain, but still showing off the beautiful backing of the device. And then I get to, you know, show off my last name. This is a Quiñones case right here. Look at that. Looking pretty cool on the device. Let's go ahead and check out this last case right here. Look at that. My initials all over the backing of the case. And then of course they have a lot more to choose from, a lot more options to choose from to be able to customize your phone. Now this is the actual case that we did the drop test with. Let's see, this one's a little bit tougher to get on the phone. There we go. All right, so it is on nice and secure. Let's take a look at the front there. Look at that protection that you are getting. Some pretty good sized lips. And then here on the side, I'm gonna have to show you once I take the phone out, but you can actually see the Cheat Tech, what they're calling it, which is a lining inside the device. And it is basically a material that's going to help your phone from impacts. It's going to absorb those impacts when you drop this phone in these cases. So that's another reason that these give your phone such great protection. Now over here to the right, of course, we got the power button, nice and responsive, nice and clicky. Let's check out the volume rockers. Nice and clicky, nice and responsive. And then of course you got the cutout for that toggle right there. Nothing up here at the top, going down to the bottom. Got cutouts for the charging port, speaker, and a microphone. And let's check out the protection that we're gonna get for those camera lenses in the back. As you can see, pretty nice deep cutout. So if you happen to drop it on a flat surface like you saw from the drop test, you're gonna get some good protection. So that is what that's going to look like. And then of course, compared to the impact case, you get some extra protection here on the corner. So if you happen to drop it on any of its corners, you're gonna get that extra protection right there. That's why they call this the Ultra Impact case. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charging. Hopefully I can hold this the right way again. And there we go. So as you can see, wireless charging does work with the Ultra Impact case as well. Let's go and see what this one looks like real quick. Looking like a package about to be delivered. Fragile, yes, this is a fragile device when it's not in the case. Good thing we do have a case on it. So pretty unique design there. Look at that. If you want your phone looking like a package being delivered, boom, that is the one to get. So these are basically all the cases I have right here. Like I said, they got tons more to choose from. I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below that will also get you an extra 15% off of your purchase. So you can go check out some of these cases for yourself. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about my drop test? Do you think these cases actually did a good job at protecting this device? I do. Obviously, the phone is still looking good as new. Y'all let me know what you think about the cases here in front of me. Thank you all so very much for watching. Again, huge thanks to Casetify for sponsoring this video. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.